wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best aquarium test kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. When the growth of algae becomes a concern, the nutrafin phosphate can help you track the phosphate levels and keep it below 1 mg per litre. It's suitable for fresh or marine tanks and contains enough for 75 samplings. A handy base keeps everything upright and it includes a pipette, but the test tube cap can leak. At number 6, the Red Sea Reef Foundation Pro is a must-have for anyone who wants to support and maintain a miniature coral reef in their tank. Included a test for everything from calcium and magnesium levels to alkalinity measurements. It comes with a protective hard shell case and helps with proper supplement dosing. However, it is a time-consuming option. At number 5, as the name suggests, the seachem multi-test copper evaluates copper levels with an accuracy rating of 0.01 mg per litre. Copper is used as an algicide or to kill off parasites, but in too great a concentration it's harmful to fish as well. It includes a reference test for validation and is good for salt and fresh water, but it is rather complicated to use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Aquarium Test Kits, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 4. For a fast and basic assessment of your tank's chemical levels, the easy-to-use and affordable Tetra Easy Strips are a fine choice. The company also provides an app for your smartphone that can evaluate a snapshot of your results. You get the results in 1 minute and there's a color guide hidden under the label. However, it doesn't include a salinity test. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Salifert Combo provides 3 important metrics that should be monitored if you have a marine environment that includes coral. Proper calcium and alkalinity levels are needed to form the skeletal material, and the correct magnesium concentration helps it to grow. It features sharp, contrasting color changes and detects small variations, but the included syringe is cheap. At number 2, the Red Sea Marine Care will monitor the primary elements you need for the setup and maintenance of a healthy saltwater tank. Included are the supplies to evaluate levels of nitrate, nitrite, ammonia, pH and alkalinity with pinpoint accuracy. It comes with a storage case and simple, clear instructions. It provides highly consistent readings. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the API Freshwater Master Kit comes with enough supplies to conduct over 800 tests, so it's a smart choice for a facility with multiple aquariums to monitor, or for the home that wants to make sure it's well stocked for a long period of time. It includes 4 glass test tubes and a laminated reference chart. It's also available for saltwater tanks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Aquarium Test Kits, or simply click beneath this video.